Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm back at this place, the underground of Trevi Fountain in Rome, Italy, and I'm going to go back inside, and there's a line, and it's open this time. Can you believe it? Wow. Okay, let's get in line, and we'll see about getting a ticket. Okay, here we go. And so this is it right here. Area archaeological Vicus Caprarius, and it opens at 11 o'clock, so I am right on time at 10:55. Isn't that funny? 10:55. So, and there's quite a thing here. And what's funny, I think, is that right above it, it says Harry's Bar. I know, isn't that crazy? Anyway, this is it. So let's go inside and say, YouTube, say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. We're all trying to get inside. So anyway, okay, everybody, let me get inside and we'll go see this underground Trevi Fountain water stuff. Okay, what a day. So I went here at 11 o'clock, actually 10:45, and got a place to hold a spot so that I could buy a ticket, so that I could see the underground. And so at 10:45 I got a spot for 1 o'clock, and so now it's 11:45, or I'm sorry, 12:45, and so now I should be able to go in here and at least buy a ticket, and then I don't know if I have to wait in line again to go inside. But let's go take a look. So whew, getting in here is a nightmare. Eric? Yes. Yes. Okay, thank you. Grazie. Wow. And cute little magnets of Trevi Fountain, but we're going to go to the underground. So this is where the underground, this is what its name is anyway, and it looks like this is kind of like what it looks like. Yeah, amazing. Okay, here we go. And this looks like another picture of what it looks like underground. But
1 to 7, number, play and listen. Volume 7 and 9, and 0 is pause. Okay, thank you. Down and right, thank you.
I need one ticket.
1 for euros.
Card.
Have it?
Oop, it changed. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect. Go down?
Down and right.
Down and right. Thank you. Grazie. Okay. All right. So after trying to get here many a times, I am finally here. Whew. Down and right. Okay. So this is the underground. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Look at it, it's full of water. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Look at this. So this is the underground underneath Trevi Fountain. Wow. Amazing. This way or this way? This way. Okay, gotcha. It looks like there's some text here, so as always, pause as needed. Can you guys see all that? Man, it's a lot to see, I get it, but so this is the underground. Wow. Okay. Wow, and there's just tons to read here. Wow, hit pause as needed. It gets worse. Wow, wow. Okay, so there is a lot to this underground. And it's amazing. Look at these stairs, too. And then way down there, it's full of water. You see all the water down there? I mean, I don't know that you can see it, but those are all coins. You see how gold it looks? That's because it's full of coins. Yeah, that's a crazy amazing. Wow, wow. And look at these stairs too. And you get to go down. So Trevi represents 3 fountains, 3 streams of water coming into one. Wow. Wow, wow. That is crazy. Look at that. That is just spectacular. Wow. It's almost like a cistern for Rome. And there's so much to read here that there's no way I'm going to show you everything. I mean, oh my gosh, it is just filled with literature and reading and how it was created and wow. Man, that is amazing. So right above us is Trevi Fountain. Wow. Look at that. That is crazy. There is an audio guide, so you should probably get the audio guide if you want to understand the whole thing. But if you just want to wing it, you can wing it with me. Hit pause, please, because there's a lot here to read. And it talks about all of it. Oh my gosh. Wow. I think this is the most incredible view right here. Wow. Wow, wow. Watch your head here, because this is me at high level, so I'm ducking to get through here. Wow. Go ahead. Sorry. No worries. Wow. Yeah, this is pretty incredible. It's amazing. And you know, we're only seeing, I think, so Trevi means three, right? Three fountains. And this is just one of the streams. There's two more, and I'm sure they have an underground just like this. And we're probably, you know, 20 or 30 feet, 40 feet below Trevi Fountain. Well, when you're all the way down there, I mean, that's at least 2 floors down. Yeah, crazy, crazy. Okay, everybody. Well, this gives you an idea of what you're kind of looking at. Certainly amazing. That's it, everybody. Bye.